Kicking ass right there. And I'm gonna vomit.
The history of sailing on Geneva Lake goes back a long way. From the sandbaggers and their plucky crews to the ultra-modern A-Scows of today guided by professional athletes, sailing on Geneva Lake is more than just a sport, it's a way of life. I'm Philip Sassano, and Underground Lake Geneva is about to take you on an adventure you will never forget.
How many halyards are there on this boat?
There's 2.
And what are they called?
I was told there would be no math. Underground Lake Geneva, Reckless Regatta. Pre-race ritual, 1 beer, no more than that. Gets a little dicey. Are we up for it?
We're taking them down.
Steve, I told you, it's crazy. Sailors are crazy. I am a replacement. I am the beneficiary of two injuries, actually. Actually, each one of my promotions in my career of sailing has been due to someone else's injury.
Put it yourself. There you go. That's good stuff. Side pulleys in the center, forward or backward?
Side pulleys.
On your jib sail.
Jibbing. Can I have the word of origin, please? Can you use it in a sentence? Is that a verb? Specifically told there would be no math. It sounds like a dance, like, hey, everybody's doing the jib. Going to the infirmary.
Already?
Already. Not even sailing yet. Okay. It's like a MASH unit. They don't do stitches. It's if you're down, you go in the ocean. Which is good because we're on a lake. The first time I didn't really know what they were saying. I thought it was jig, like the jig is up. Like that's not right. I'm pretty sure that's not. Then it was jab. No, didn't say that. Jib. Whatever.
Well, in this high wind, it's going to be cool the way you got it set all the time, but you're going to have to adjust it a little bit when we come across on the beam reaches.
We're in the thick of it now. We're in the thick of it.
It's going to be in the way sometimes, so...
I know.
Okay.
I'll move it.
All right, prepare to come about. Hurry up, fix it.
We're in the lead. We're in the lead!
We need the jib.
I think I'm gonna throw up. He decided he was overboard. He just had enough. And he's leaving. Look at him. Phil, you gotta go.
Where'd he go?
He's going underneath. We have our first glitch.
Hey, Philip,
Yep.
kill the motor. It's still turning.
Kill the motor.
Managed. Right there.
It was working.
It was on, yeah.
It was working.
Did I lose a rope?
No. Alright, boys, this is what victory looks like. Let's go! Come on, Doug, let's go. This is the best part of sailing right here. What sailing moron releases the main halyard in the last leg of the race?
Never. We still have
This guy. Did it? We met our objective?
Well, we could have beat everybody.
You know, whoa. But all you needed to do was win our class.
Yeah, we did what we wanted to do.
What?
Those boats are faster than us. So we get a handicap on them. So we might
So we're
have beat them.
champions.
We are.
We could have.
Picture this. 875 sailors, 250 boats from 30 yacht clubs across the nation, all converging here at the beautiful Lake Geneva Yacht Club on the shores of Wisconsin's very own Geneva Lake. All here for the 2015 ILYA Annual Championship Regatta. I suggest you get your life preservers on, drop some of them seasick pills, because you know what? We're gonna get wet.
So happy that we have a Buddy Mulgus Sailing Center because he's the man and he is the reason all of us race so well in scows.
When you're up against Mother Nature, she always gives you something new. So that's what makes sailing such a great sport, because each day is a new challenge.
It's the right thing to do. How can I ever change
I think I'd sell better than you.
if I could?
Who releases the main halyard during the race? Nobody.
You need therapy?
I do. I need sailing therapy.
Who does that?
Who does that? And why would you ever guess? Why would you guess? What was I thinking? We still won though. Lost at sea.
If you go upwind and you go to the whacker house, then what you want to do is do a jibe set and shoot down to the narrows, maybe with the big chute or the reacher. And then you take it down and then we jib reach back to the